What do we have here, man? It's winter, man. We have a new radiator, so there shouldn't be any issues with that no more. And also we do have spacers in the steering rack, so technically we should also have a little bit more angle. Yeah, can't wait, man. I don't know if the camera can see that, but damn, this is a snow. Something. Damn, a little further away, and look at this city. If there wouldn't be cars behind, we could do something. Damn! Man, we are, you know, first drive, you need to be a little careful because you don't have a skill yet. Damn! Man, I haven't used all the angle, but maybe I already feel that only with the spacers you have way more angle compared to stock, you know. This side is good, but damn, but this side you can even feel it's a little warm. Oh man, we can just snow. You see? Fucking hell. We are on the spot. Need to, you know, first see what's up here. Only then we can roll. You know, you don't want unexpected surprises. Damn, what the hell is this dirt? Shit. I'm telling you, spacers in the steering rack change fucking a lot. At least it feels like it for now. Now this here is not the best. This part, maybe it's because there is not enough snow. But we're doing something. We are definitely doing something. And yeah, this, well, okay. So I understand this is the configuration here. Can we do one more? No, let's not do that. While we're here, let's do something. Easy as hell. That actually, this might be my spot. So I go there, then I came back, then do this corner, then turn around there and go back. Damn, we smart, man. Let's see what's up. Yeah, maybe the jacket is, we need to take it off. Wow. Ah, and then is this shit. I forgot about this a little bit. This is slippery here. Oh, someone else here. Whoa, now we don't. Well, the diff saved the day. Damn, this motherfucker crazy. Maybe he will show us how to do this. Nah. Damn. Whoppa! Forgot about this again. See? We went in there. Nah. We good. Come on, man. What the hell? See, that's a quattro. Damn, that's like a rally car or some shit. Oba. And here we are already. Oh. Volva. This is actually the first proper welded diff test. We ain't gonna do much today, but because we need to sort out the brakes, man. Fucking hell. Brake. Ručnik. Come on, man. This is just too much ice. Turn around. Let's film the road back because I just want you to see this. It's doable, but with the low car as this, Jesus. But with the low car as this is a little difficult in some places. Yeah, let's do this. I did feel a little hit on the bottom. Yeah, that's I guess that's how it's gonna be for us there. And this is the main road already. You are telling me that we can go through here? Well, okay then, let's try. Damn! That was a nice little section. Damn, you know, with the welded diff you are like on some kind of SUV. Just going through. Okay man, we have also brand new winter tires. That's also the case. Damn, yeah, what was even this? Like some forest adventure or something? Jesus Christ. No, after this we go. Why they are going so slow? Because it's ice? No way! That's why they are going so slow. Because this is all ice. Man, you might be a drifter or something, but this shit sometimes is a little scary. Okay, but I think this was a pretty good welded diff test. You know, also spacers in the steering rack. It's definitely made a difference. My G, winter is here. Finally. Damn.